My biggest win was starting my own business. That's a huge thing for me, and it's something I've been trying to do for so long, and now I have one, and it's going well. Hi, my name is Harirai Khalsa. I currently work for a nonprofit, but I've just started my own new business, so I'm transitioning into that. I was pretty good at organizing my information before, but what I really wasn't good at was taking that information and actually turning it into something useful down the line. So there are kind of 4 stages, right? Capture, organize, distill, and express. And like so many people, I was really good at capturing and organizing and then recapturing and reorganizing, and I never really got to the point where I was distilling or expressing that information. I really haven't ever used a real system before. I'm like a little bit familiar with some other kind of process systems, like getting things done. I think that's a big one that many people are familiar with, and that does kind of come into building a second brain. Really, the thing that I took away from this more than anything was this kind of internalized principle of simplicity, and this idea that taking the easy way and taking the natural way and building on what you've done before and always looking for the minimum thing that you can do in order to accomplish what you need to accomplish. That as an idea really transformed the way I worked more than anything else. Tiago's interaction with the students was more than any I've ever had in any other course before, which was amazing. I do love kind of signing up for courses and educational things. So, I've done a few of these, and we have like an hour blocked out for the live sessions each week. And Tiago would stay on for a full hour after every single session, just answering any and all questions that would come on. I'm someone who, I don't always have perfect mental health, and I will have these episodes of anxiety and depression that can make it really, really hard for me to get work done. And so I had a little kind of mental health dip halfway through the course. That felt really disheartening at first. But about a week or 2 into that is when I suddenly realized that in a way that was really the value of building a second brain. And that was really what I had learned so far, was the fact that even though I was in a depressive slump and having a really hard time engaging with my work at the level that I wanted to, I hadn't actually dropped any balls. I realized that that's really the value of a good system, is that it's a system that's designed to support you on your worst days. Honestly, I've spent less time at work. I work from home, I set my own hours, so I'm putting more of that energy into my personal creative projects, trying to do as little work as possible while still maintaining the same standard of achievement. I would absolutely recommend building a second brain. There's like no better group or mentor team or community you could find than this one to go through all that. Everyone was amazing and supportive and super creative and brilliant. So an awesome team to be a part of.